The new COVID variant called Omicron is already causing a major strain on global travel.
The U.S. and European Union are blocking flights from several African countries following the discovery of the new variant. There are already 8 southern African nations with do not travel warnings issued by the State Department.
Now there are questions over whether the president will impose any more COVID restrictions or mandates.
Fox 46's Savannah Rudisell's live in the Elizabeth neighborhood with what President Biden is saying about Omicron. Savannah, good morning.
Good morning, Jason and Nan Wyatt. Now, White House advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci says that he's going to need at least 2 more weeks for world health officials to gather more information about Omicron and how transmissible it is and how severe the infection can be for people who get it. He says in the meantime, while they're still gathering that data, any adult who is eligible should get a booster shot. President Biden is back in the White House today after his Thanksgiving holiday, and he already received multiple updates and briefings on the Omicron variant while he was traveling. Biden says health officials requested he put up travel restrictions to give them some time to prepare for a potential COVID surge. Doctors have not found an Omicron positive patient in America, but they say it's likely the disease is already in the states based on how many countries it is already in. Now, the White House COVID response team is expected to give an update later on this afternoon. They'll discuss the possibility of lockdown and harsher travel restrictions that'll be coming up a little bit later on. We'll keep you updated with what they say. Back to you.
Savannah, what are leaders of companies like Moderna and Pfizer, what are they saying about a possible Omicron vaccine?
Well, they say they've already been working on it. Leaders of both Pfizer and Moderna have been working on variant-specific vaccines over the course of this past year. Really, this past summer, when the Delta variant hit, that's when they started looking on how they need to reformulate their vaccine in order to make it protect against all different variants. The chief medical officer for Moderna, that's Paul Burton, he says the company has been testing variant-specific boosters, and they are already working on one for the Omicron variant. They say they could be able to roll that out just as early as next year. Again, both companies say that they expect to have more information come out within the next 2 weeks. And these leaders say that they're not only going to be waiting for more information, but they say based on how fast they are able to produce more vaccines now that production has ramped up, they say that if people need an extra booster or an extra vaccine, they should be able to get that out probably within the next coming months. Reporting live in Charlotte, Savannah Rudisell, Fox 46.